Hello and welcome back to Steam with Steve. So we're on to our next session in our coding combat journey. So we're going to go up to the 14th, the Cupboards of Kithgard. Okay, so who knows what horrors lurk within the Cupboards of Kithgard? Let's find out. Okay, so we're going to break open the cupboard with under 7 statements. So let's have a look. We can move up. Okay, cool. So this one's talking about how you can move actions before we get stuck into our while true loop. So if we go up 1, cross 2, down 2, and then we're just jamming into a loop where we attack that cupboard, and let's see what happens. So first move to the cupboard, which is what this section in here does. So we want the hero dot move up. We then want the hero dot move right. For 2 block units. We then want the hero dot move down. Yep, we didn't survive, that's okay. And we want him to move down too. So that should put us right in front of the cupboard. And then we want to actually attack that cupboard. So while true with a capital T, colon, while that's true, we want to go hero dot attack, quotation marks, cupboard, close the quotation marks, close the brackets. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, under 7 statements. Awesome. Let's see how this one plays out. Cool. You just got powered up to a skeleton to help us out, which isn't a bad thing to have, right? Cool. Great success. Close that one down. We'll go back to the main menu and let's see what we've got up to next. Cool. So we can either carry on with number 15, but we've also got these practice ones for the cupboards. So let's have we'll probably have a go at those ones instead. So hopefully you picked up something with that. Using a while loop doesn't necessarily have to go straight into the while loop. You can actually still put statements in front of it and then put the while loop underneath it all. So thanks again. Hopefully see you next time. See you again with Steam It with Steve. Adios.